Attention, all team leaders and aspiring candidates. Let me show you 3 tactics of how to be outstanding in your job or your future job. Number 1. Put people first. Remember, all organizations, including businesses, exist because of its members. Number 2. Don't just run away from your issues. Face it. Tactics and strategies to solve problems as the team leader is crucial for the sake of the team. And finally, number 3, make sure to understand numbers. Mastering numbers is a must to set goals, measure accomplishments, and strategic decision making. These 3 not only function on their own, but should interact with each other for your success as an individual and as a team. If you'd like to know how in detail, read this book written by the former executive in Samsung Group. Strengths of Team Leaders in Samsung. Thank you and have a nice day.